is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something made in the US of A. This is Ramen Express chicken flavor vegetarian instant noodles. Now, I've had the cups before, and now I'm starting to go through the packs. And the first pack I had was the hotter, spicier variety, and that was good. That was really good. I was thoroughly impressed with that. 3 minutes on the clock. Simmer down now. But yeah, I really liked that one, and it just seemed like it was much stronger. Oh, come on. But yeah, I liked it a lot. One moment. Oh, there we go. Anyways, it's time for a little Momofuku Ando Speaks. After that, number 94. We're trudging along. The moment of greatest pleasure is when I hear customers say our products simply taste wonderful. Yeah, everybody likes that. You make something for people to eat, and they say, oh man, that's so good. Wow, that's really good. I don't know, there's something about satisfaction when you give somebody a food and how they feel about it. There's definitely satisfaction in that. And it's like an addictive satisfaction. It's like what I used to make for my family all the time. Like when my mom and sister would come down, I would make yakisoba. So I'd just get like the noodles, I'd get some sauce, and just throw tons of veggies and meat in it and just make a big, huge thing of it. They freaking loved it. So I'd keep making it because I knew they liked it. And it's nice. They're like, oh, it's so good. Wow, yeah. That I like. That is the deal for me. God, where did I get this bowl? I really like this bowl too. Well, it's 12:51 now. She's got school in 9 minutes. And this is like, I'm doing like 3 episodes a day now, and I'm getting them in just under the wire. But I'm just getting them in under the wire. So that's cool, at least, right? I'm gonna put this bowl here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peekaboo, Mimi, peekaboo. Well, you're gonna be playing peekaboo with school in a minute. Almost time for school, okay? And then, after she has school, I edit all the video. Get the post all set up, and that is that. Today's a special day too, ladies and gentlemen, because today is the day that the top 10 instant noodles of all time, spiciest instant noodles of all time. Yeah. Which is a list people tend to really like. It smells chickeny. Let's give it a try quickly. I very much like those noodles. Very much. They have gromba. The broth. Yeah. That is a really good chicken instant noodle. I will say that's quite possibly the best chicken instant noodle that's in the United States, ladies and gentlemen. That is a good one. And it's vegetarian, but it tastes more chickeny than like most. Well, I don't know. It's the noodle. The noodle has a really good texture to it that I absolutely appreciate. So, but it's vegetarian, but that's about to end. This is turkey left over from Thanksgiving. This is an egg left over from a chicken. Like how I do that? If you're an actual vegetarian, you don't have to do this. I would think you'd be loath to do this part. But here is an egg. More egg. And I'm going to go with a little bit of mung bean sprout. Straightish ones. That's usually, if I'm like messing around with mung bean sprouts, I want to get just the straightest ones. Does it matter? Kinda. Does it really matter? No. We've got some spring onion right there. I'm gonna do a little bit of Rayu chili oil. This stuff's infused with stuff. And a little bit of shichimi togarashi on the turkey. And I think that we'll do a little bit of sesame seed too. And honestly, at this end of the stick, it certainly looks like some kind of turkey shio thing going on now. Now, it's 12:56. Her school starts in 4 minutes. So I've got to take some rotato time super fast. And then I've got to go do the beauty shots over there. That's pretty good. To go, but that only took 3 minutes to cook and it came out really nice. I am impressed with this. Also, if you're looking at the review, you can get this on Amazon, like a 24 pack for $13, and it's good. It's vegetarian. I think it's got protein in it too, so give it a look. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raid wishing you all the best in 2021. And it's still 2020 for me, so God, it could get much worse. Have a good one. Bye.